Today, 30th of July is celebrated as World Day Against Trafficking in Person. So, with the aim of abolishing trafficking around the globe, we are here to make a presentation on what trafficking really is. Research on human trafficking is crucial to identify and help victims who, according to data, reach 40.3 million across the world. Data shows that 81% of all victims are trapped in forced labor and 75% are women. More than 10 million victims are children, and approximately 15.4 million people are forced into marriage. Trafficking in person means the recruitment, transportation, transfer, harboring, or receipt of persons by means of the threat or use of force in other forms of coercion. There might be wrong concept that human trafficking happens only in underdeveloped and developing nation, but US and Germany are the largest market for the human trafficking. Human trafficking generates more than $150 billion in profit, with sexual exploitation, forced labor, organ harvesting, forced marriages, trafficking of children, and soldiers being most common and profitable forms of human trafficking. Sexual exploitation. Sexual exploitation is one of the most extreme forms of modern slavery, with more than 54% of all victims being sexually exploited. It includes prostitution, internet chat rooms, pornography, and sex tourism, and generates more than $99 billion in profits globally. Large number of traffickers are women exploiting other women, and men and boys also become victims of sexual exploitation. Forced labor. With 24.9 million people being victims of forced labor, women are highly affected by forced labor, with 99% of victims in the sex industry and 58% in other industries. Organ harvesting. Illegal organ trade is one of the most complex forms of human trafficking, generating profits between $840 million and $1.7 billion per year, with more than 10% of all organ transplants being trafficked. According to WHO, more than 10,000 kidneys are purchased on the black market across the globe, which equals more than one kidney every hour. Forced marriages. Forced marriages are another severe form of human trafficking. Data shows that 15.4 million victims of human trafficking are in situations of forced marriage, and 84% are girls and women. Three types of forced marriages exist: the forced marriage of adults, children marriage, and trafficking for marriage. Trafficking of children and child soldiers. Data shows 20% of all victims of human trafficking are children. In some parts of Africa and Asia, these numbers reach up to 100%. Statistics show more than 1.2 million children are being trafficked annually.
Human trafficking, a global health problem. Human trafficking is a growing problem. According to data provided by International Labour Organization, there were 12.3 million trafficking victims in 2005, 21 million victims in 2012, and 40.3 million victims in 2016. Health professionals are sometimes the only people who are in contact with the victim while still in captivity. Careful examinations and training are mandatory to identify victims and save lives. Victims suffer from tremendous injuries and mental health problems. Data collected from 207 trafficked women across 14 countries reported that 95% of women had experienced extreme physical violence and emotional abuse. Forced abortions are also common. 71% of sex trafficking victims reported at least one pregnancy, 21% more than 5 pregnancies, 55% at least one abortion, and 30% multiple abortion. To provide an example, a study on trafficked Nepalese girls and women found that 23% of them tested positive for HIV. Therefore, Evidence-based research is crucial to help authorities and health professionals identify and combat human trafficking. Human trafficking, however, is not a business. Human trafficking is a crime against humanity because people are not for sale. Causes of human trafficking. Poverty. When someone living in poverty, unable to fulfill the basic need, and have no education, backup skill for employment opportunities in such condition, a trafficker familiar with this scenario might offer a job with good payment and better lifestyle. If this appear to be their only option, they may accept and be willing to do whatever the trafficker asks of them. Displacement. Children who have lost their parents are easy target for traffickers. Without a safe place to call home or a guardian to provide for and protect them, these children become vulnerable to abuse, unfair treatment, and trafficking. Cultural practices. In some societies, it is widely accepted to devalue and abuse women and children. This outlook is ingrained into minds of men and women in certain cultures, which creates a huge opportunity for traffickers. In traditional cultures where arranged marriages are common, girls are sometimes forced into child marriage, which can also be identified as a form of human trafficking. In some places, bonded labor is seen as an acceptable way to pay off debt. Effects of human trafficking. Human trafficking can have physical, emotional, and psychological effects on anyone involved. Many victims suffer from mental trauma, physical trauma, and are ostracized by society and also lack independent living skills.
Prevention of human trafficking can be bring awareness to your social circles so your friends and family know more about trafficking. Consider volunteering with a local counter-trafficking organization. Donate money to an organization that works on the front lines. Call the National Human Trafficking Hotline if you notice suspicious activity. Be a friend to someone who is alone and vulnerable. Some of the organizations working for human trafficking are Anti-Slavery International. It is an international non-governmental organization founded in 1839. It works exclusively against slavery and related abuses. Mighty Nepal. It is a non-profit organization in Nepal and was established in April 1993 in Nepal, dedicated to helping victims of sex trafficking and to provide comprehensive prevention from girls trafficking, rescuing and rehabilitating the survivors. Last but not the least, Ricky Martin Foundation was born in 2002 to provide education and solution for international efforts to abolish child trafficking, a modern form of slavery. These are some of the examples among the many organizations working against human trafficking. We are living in 21st century where people talk about animals' rights, but we still are not able to abolish this heinous crime like human trafficking. Human trafficking still stands as fastest growing criminal industry, which shows we are lacking to act against it and our efforts are not enough. Therefore, we, the people, the government, and the world needs to stand together to end this crime and ensure the world which is trafficking free, where every human beings are equal and